Oh, get out of those weeds. See it jump up, catch my bait?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. He, just a little guy, but he might. See? Come on, baby. Uh-huh. Another easy shiner. I gotta get him hooked. I'm hooked. Got him?
Yep.
Cool. Can't let Dad get to the dock first. There's a fish under there.
I like that boat name.
Yeah?
Bad water.
Yeah. See? Told you. What? I had to catch my rack bass for the day. Yeah, told you. This is my zone. I don't play around in here, Mom. I told you it's my zone. Hold that top. That's a pike. What the hell is that? What is that? What the hell is that thing? That's a pike. You can hold right the fuck on.
Camera?
Yeah. Hey, what's up guys? I actually made it home. Kayaks are all tucked in. Managed to move up a position. I'm only 2 inches out of first place now. Going to Lake Champlain tomorrow for episode 3, so I'm hoping I can get into some big boys and cull up. Managed to get my limit, so that's a good sign. Got actually my limit and culled up 1 fish, so doing really good so far. Gonna keep up the work, keep up the grind tomorrow, and see if we can get into first place by the end of the weekend.